Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Friends, in real UPSC exams, lectures are important, study material is important, and mock tests are equally important. Now, Shubhra ji, what is this Unacademy Combat?
So Combat is basically a short duration live test that's happen every Sunday, in which we try to provide learners best of quality questions. Some of the elements of Combat is that it's a live test, that is all the learners have to attempt it at a particular time only. Every question comes with a certain timer that helps learner not only achieve their accuracy but maintain their speed as well. And hence there can be no cheating because all the learners which are taking the test live have to stay on that particular question for a particular timer. We provide certain live leaderboard to the learner after every question, that is what is the attempt rate or what is the correct and wrong answer attempt rate is going on. After that we provide a live leaderboard as well, that is out of how many live learners where do you stand and how you have to improve your performance further. We have certain more USPs of this particular test, that is it is curated by top educator whom learners follow and admire and hence want to crack that particular examination. After every test, we provide video solution that is again recorded by the top educator, and the video solution is very much descriptive that helps learners understand question as well as all the options associated with it. For example, in the last prelims examination only that conducted recently, we had 30% match rate, that is out of 100 questions, 30 questions were actually coming from the combat test itself. Wow. For example, there was 2 questions, one from NFTs and one was based on Gucci mushroom, which had an exact match rate, and that was in the combat that conducted on January and May. Great. We had certain toppers also that were the regular combat participants. For example, Mr. Bhavishya, who scored AR 29, he had been giving combat regularly, and Ms. Divya, who actually gave 16 combats and scored 438 rank.
Wow. Okay, so is this available only for UPSC or other exams also?
So for UPSC, it is available every Sunday at 11 AM. We have this particular combat in other categories as well, like IIT, JEE, NEET UG, CAT, CA, even for bank and SSC. So all the aspirants can target their examination with the help of this particular high quality combat questions and achieve their examinations.
Really great. So friends, these candidates have cleared UPSC exams and they have benefited from the Unacademy Combat. So you can also participate it. Every Sunday this is happening. Participate and let's crack it.